10 years ago today, we were in the middle of a snowstorm. Do you remember what you were doing then?
Well, ABC 27 viewer Tyler Thatcher does. He sent us a photo 10 years ago today as we watched our snowstorm coverage from his hot tub. If you look closely, you can see James Crummell and Allie Lanyon in our old ABC 27 studio. And there's Tyler in his hot tub.
I love this. Well, 10 years later, check it out. Another snowstorm, another trip to the hot tub to watch a daybreak on his outdoor TV. This time it's Allie and Kayla Schmidt on the desk. Oh, and look, Tyler has grown a mustache.
10 years from now, Tyler, invite us and we're going to come out to your hot tub for the next decade later.
I'm in.
Thanks for watching the news at 5.
Maybe not in a decade. Stay with us. We'll be back with more news. That'd be a bad idea.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.